Good morning. I am Dr. Sundaravadivel. In this video, we are going to see the development procedure for a funnel. So, the dimensions of the funnel are the top diameter is 100 mm, the top diameter is 100 mm, and the bottom diameter of the funnel is 20 mm, and the bottom portion is made of a cylindrical one. That height is 50 mm. This height, this top portion height is also 50 mm. So, as a first step, what we have to do is we have to draw the projections for the funnel for the given dimension. So, in the top view, we will be able to see two circles. One is for the top diameter and another one is for the bottom diameter. So, we are drawing the top view. Then by projecting the top view, we are drawing the front view. So the small circle will come here in the bottom for a height of 50 mm. Similarly, the top diameter will go up to 50 mm height from here. From here to here it is 50. So this is 50 and above that it have 50 mm. Then we are completing the front view and top view of this. This is the first step. So we know that from earlier sections, if we develop a cone, we will get a sector of this kind and a sector of this kind, and that angle is theta. So how we are calculating this theta? This is the formula. Theta is equal to R by L into 360. R is nothing but the radius of the base radius. So that is, in our case, the base radius is 100 mm. So R is equal to 50. 50 divided by L. L is nothing but the true slant length. True slant length in our case is this length. This slant length is called as true slant length. This one we have to measure from the diagram. After drawing the diagram, we have to measure it. So we have to take the length from here to here. This is the true slant length. In this case, it is coming around 82 mm. So if we put it in this formula, we will get theta is equal to 219.5 degrees. The next step is to take the true slant length in the compass. Measure the true slant length in the compass, and then with a point from the point in the middle, take a point and then take the true slant length and draw an arc. Then from this point you draw a line of any angle. It may be any angle. So this length is important. The true slant length is equal to 82 mm in our case. So I am taking 82 mm and drawing the arc, and I am drawing a radius for that arc. So I am drawing another line for that 219 degrees apart. So this from here to here it is 219.5 degrees. So I am drawing another line. So I will get the sector for the full cone. But our case is not full cone, it is a frustum. So here we have to draw a circle. For that we have to take this radius. This radius we have to take. This one as the radius we have to take, and then from this center we have to draw an arc. So this is our required top portion, and then by taking 5 mm from here, I will be giving a folding margin for folding. Similarly 5 mm from here I will take, and I will give a folding margin. So the darkened portion is our required portion. This is the part 1, that is frustum of a cone, and this one, the shaded portion, need to be removed. So this portion is now removed. This is our required portion. So now we have to fold the folding margin here, that folding margin we gave, no, so that one should be folded, one on the side and another one on the opposite side. We have to fold it, and then we can rotate like this. Actually, if we do it in the sheet metal, it will be using for joining. So now we can paste it with the aid of some paste, some glue. We can paste it like this, so that we will get the upper portion of the cone. Part 1 is now over. Then for part 2 is nothing but the cylinder, bottom part of the cylinder, bottom part, that is the cylinder. So the height of the cylinder is 50 mm and the diameter is 20 mm. So for developing the cylinder, we have to, if we develop the circle, if we make the circle into a straight line, then we will get the line length equal to pi d. So that comes 62.9 mm. So for 62.9 mm I am drawing a line, and that cylindrical part height is 50 mm. So for 50 by 62.9 I am making a part, and I am that will be the part 2. So now we can paste. We have to paste this one. I have used cello tape, but when we are using, when we are making this one in sheet metal, we can tighten this one using this space provided, that 5 mm margin we have provided, no. Using that we can tighten it, so that we will get the first part. Similarly, the second part is a cylinder. So during development, it will be developed like a rectangle, and after rotating, this is also I have pasted. If needed, for this also some margin can be given, and using that it can be tightened. So finally we will get the funnel in this way, like this. So this one should be inserted inside. When we are doing it in sheet metal, this one will be soldered or welded. So finally our funnel structure will be like this. Okay, try this one in your home. Thank you.